my message to the pro-divorce senators is, I'm expressing my debt of gratitude towards you because you knew on the grounds, you know how marriage works and the benefits of divorce. So if you know, and you know who you are. And another thing that I would like to say is that I hope you guys will continue that advocacy of helping um, dead marriages to, I mean, get out of that dead marriages. And nandito tayo sa pinaka-exciting part. As for the anti-divorce senators, this is not about you. Kung mahal nyo talaga ang Pilipinas at kung mahal nyo talaga ang mga Pilipino, you, obligasyon nyo guys, obligasyon nyo ang mag-yes to divorce because kahit labag yun sa mga personal ni mga paniniwala, dapat it shouldn't affect your siguro the way you will craft laws or to legislate or yung parang i-evaluate kung yung batas na yon. I mean, it shouldn't affect your assessment or yung judgment o yung discernment niyo. Dapat hindi yun, it shouldn't affect your discernment when it comes to evaluating, crafting and evaluating important bills to become law. Kaya ang message ko sa mga anti-divorce na think about your constituents, think about the people you're serving. Because one day, siguro kung hindi na presidential ng Pilipinas, kung parliamentary ng Pilipinas, malalagot talaga kayo. Kasi ang parliamentary system, ito ha, I'll show the t-shirt, kailangan talaga ng accountability talaga yung mahalaga pag once na mag-shift na sa parliamentary system. So hindi lang divorce yung gusto kong talagang yung grant divorce. I mean dapat you need to open your mind towards charter change because ang charter change kasi guys this is actually for the good of everyone. Kaya yung mga ibang pro-divorce, parang I'm inviting them to listen to the charter change advocates such as Mr. Orion Perez D, na siya isa sa mga principal co-founders ng Correct Movement. I really wanted to tell them na na yung sa Federal Parliamentary Movement of the Philippines at Divorce Pilipinas Coalition, ako yung tipong taong na talagang i-unite sila na gusto ko magkaroon ng collaboration between the two groups so that one day in the future na we can help one another make this country a better place for all of us. So, yun lang guys, masasabi ko, I hope yung mga senators natin maging bukas naman ang isip nila pagdating sa pagbabago.